I just summarize what you need to understand about this energy, why you have these three types of energy changes, right? So let's just use a running man theory, right? It's quite a good example one. So in this man, right, if you see, right, the man is running, right? So when you're running, right, so imagine energy is around us, okay? But you yourself also have energy, right? So you yourself also have energy. You know that your body will undergo respiration, right? Your body will undergo metabolism. So all these are within yourself, right? Your brain also have a lot of energy there. So all this, right, we call internal energy. Right? Internal energy means everything is within you. Right? Same thing with chemical reaction, right? Reactants also have their own internal energy, right? Products also have their own internal energy. The difference between the internal energy, which is we're going to learn, one is called enthalpy change. That's why another type of energy we learn is, one is you lose energy, the other one is gain energy, where from the surrounding one. Right? This is the one you learn one. This is all enthalpy, delta H. So whether you lose energy one means it's going to be exo, whether you gain energy from the surrounding one, then it's going to be endo. So those you learn the enthalpy change. Then another types of energy, right, where we hardly can measure but we can calculate it, is the one that, okay, this person is running, right? But when you run, right, you can run in a straight line, or when you have a direction. So sometimes you want to run to the right, or sometimes you want to run to the left, or sometimes you want to run in a straight line. So this kind of random movement, all right, we also have this energy. This kind of energy is called entropy. All right, so entropy is to tell us whether the energy is given, whether how randomly they are going to undergo. So when you're running, so whether you want to run fast, you want to run slow, or you want to run to the right side, whether you want to run to the left side, or you want to run backward, or you want to run forward, right? So all these kind of randomly that hardly to identify one, all those are called entropy. So in terms of chemical reaction, you also have this kind of entropy. Because, right, when you release energy, if you rather ask yourself, right, when chemical reaction, when they exothermic, if they release energy, have you ever wondered yourself this energy go where? Right? Surrounding meaning means your understanding is they go to the solvent. Right? Like example, you have a beaker, you have a reaction. So, all right, in your IG1, you really learn like this only. So they release energy, so you measure the temperature, right? But this energy, where they're going to go, right? You know that energy, they can go anywhere they want, right? Either they're going to go to the water, the solvent, right? Or they can go to the beaker, they can go to the air, they can go to the thermometer. So this energy, how random they go, right? So that's called entropy. All right, it's a very, very good energy one that can understand the whole life situation one. Anyway, later I'll teach you one. Okay, then combine this thing and this thing as the temperature you have. So the internal energy, eventually they will change. So the change, right, eventually whatever the free energy you have, right? So that's the one you learn, we call it's free energy. So that's why the whole thing is called thermodynamics. Can you understand? All right, but in AS1, right, of course, you're going to learn not the whole thing one. You only learn this thing one. That's it. All right, in A21, you're going to learn the whole thing. Okay, that's why you have to, all your understanding of enthalpy must be very, very strengthened. In your AS1, then only you can go to A21. Because in A2, we're going to learn these two, combining the whole thing can create this thing one.